Playing the piano with both hands independently is one of the biggest challenges, and in this video, I have 6 exercises for you on how we're going to fix that. Let's get started with exercise number 1. First, we position the right hand so that the thumb is on C, and the little finger on the left hand is on the same note, so these tones. And first of all, we play in parallel, which means both hands at the same time, left hand little finger, right hand thumb. And now, let's move to the next note on the right, the D. From there, we'll go one note at a time, stepping up to G, and then back down again. And we'll do that 4 times now. And it's very important that we strike both hands exactly at the same time and not slightly offset. Ready? Watch out, here we go. When you are carefully examining this specific sequence of numbers, you naturally start with the basics, but then you must move forward to the next critical set, which includes 2, 3, and 4. These are the essential figures we need to focus on right now to ensure that every element is accounted for in our final count. Okay, great. Congratulations. Briefly, shake out your hands, loosen up a bit, shrug your shoulders once, and relax them too. You can be very happy if you've really done this properly, because that's where most people give up. Yeah, it's too boring for them, but whoever does it right here will have a much easier time later on. The next level is, we start with both thumbs, G on the left, C on the right, and now we move the notes outwards, from the inside out. So we're covering both thumbs, then the index fingers, middle fingers, ring fingers, and finally the little fingers, before moving back to the start. Okay, and we'll do that 4 times now as well. Ready? Let's go. To begin our exploration of this particular numerical progression, we start by identifying the number 2, which is then immediately followed by the number 3, and finally, we round out this specific sequence by arriving at the number 4, completing the set of integers we intended to cover in this segment of our discussion today. Okay, great. First of all, congratulations. I'm curious to see how far you get, because now we're moving on to exercise 3. Shake them out briefly, and then we'll continue right away. So, the hands stay in the same position. However, the right hand now plays 2 notes, while the left hand plays 1 note. And we're only doing this upwards. It looks like this. Up to that point. So the left hand goes all the way up once, and the right hand plays up and back down once. Okay, 4 times. Are you ready? Watch out, focus. Let's go. Very good. 2nd time. Great. And 3rd time. And 4th time. Very good. Moving on to the next exercise. Shake it out briefly. We're doing the same thing, but in reverse. The left hand plays 2 notes, and the right hand plays 1 note. I'll play it for you once. Ready? Watch out, let's go. It's getting significantly harder, right? Next time. Great. Third time. And fourth time. Super! You can be mega proud of yourself if you're still here, because most people would have given up long ago. So now we're coming to exercise number 5. So now come the most difficult exercises, okay? I'm curious to see if you can make it to the sixth one. By the way, if you want more, you can find my free piano crash course for beginners. It's the best introduction to the world of learning piano. If you don't have it yet, I recommend you pause the video for a moment and go grab those free piano lessons. Okay, we're continuing with exercise number 5. It's the same as exercise number 3. However, we're going to keep playing this in a loop now. So the right hand plays 2 notes while the left plays 1, but not just upwards, downwards, and then we suddenly go in all sorts of directions. I'll play it for you once. You really need to watch out here, because right now, the left hand is going to start moving downwards again, and then it will smoothly transition back upwards to its original position. So, ready? We're going to do this 4 times now. Watch out, here we go. That was the first time, now the second. The third time. And the fourth time. Wow, if you manage that, you can be super proud of yourself. We're continuing with the last, final exercise number 6. It's the same one, just reversed. The left hand plays 2 notes while the right hand plays, but we go upwards and downwards independently with both hands. I'll play it for you once. Okay, watch out, and 4 times together. Second time. Third time. And fourth time. Great. Great, congratulations. I have 3 more ways you can continue. I already mentioned the first one, my free piano crash course for beginners. Also, in the video description, I have my second recommendation. If you feel like really training just your hand coordination with many more exercises like the ones we've done, which get significantly more complicated, and you want to master playing together once and for all, I've linked my course Hand Coordination, the Power Training below. And I'm displaying the third option for you to continue with right here. That is the next video you can continue with right here. I recommend you check out the links in the video description first, and then proceed here. It's great to have you here. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.